everyone. This is your friend Tarot card reader Prajakta Patil, and you must be wondering that I will be doing your weekly tarot card reading, but no, today I'll be telling you something about uh, very powerful rituals. Those are called as healing rituals and prosperity rituals. Okay, so we as spiritual healers, we do perform these rituals for ourselves or our clients. Okay, now what are these rituals or how do they help us? Now the thing is, in our daily life we don't understand that why am I facing so many problems at my job place, or I'm taking so many efforts but I'm not getting promoted at my job place, or say I'm finding a new job but there are no vacancies available, or there are ample obstacles, okay, that are way beyond your reach and you cannot help it, but you have to just tolerate that situation. Okay, but there are simple rituals and healing prayers that can help you a lot, and these have been working very miraculously for all my clients, and I would say that one should really go for it. Now one by one I will tell you what all rituals are there. Okay, now the first one is a powerful prosperity ritual. Okay, so what happens is, we do have financial flow coming in, but then it is not stable, or somewhere or the other we are having problems with our finances, we are not able to manage it. So it is a ritual which is to be done for a flow of prosperity, and we can have abundant supply of wealth. Okay, of course without any illegal thoughts, or through an ethical way only. Okay, because what it does is it just removes all the obstacles which are between us and our progress. Okay, and we cannot just see it. So these are the rituals which will help you definitely. Okay, now the second is prayer for enhancing business. Now what happens is, we are doing a certain business and we feel that it is being stagnant, or there is no progress, or there is no step 2 when we are on step 1, and we feel that we are stuck somewhere. I don't know what is missing, but what should I do? What are the decisions, or how should be my vision to expand my business, to enhance it in a way that there is a lot of prosperity flowing towards me, or I am having a stable flow or increasing flow. So for this is the prayer. Okay, prayer for enhancing business. Now the third one is prayer for new job. Sometimes what happens is we are not progressing at the current workplace, or we are not, our work is not getting recognized, okay, or not appreciated. So what we feel is, I think, I should have a new job. So what do? We try searching for new jobs, but what happens is the situation doesn't help us. So in that case what we do is we do this prosperity ritual for finding a new job. So what happens is you will definitely get the way towards your new job, and you will have that vision, you will get the new ideas, okay, where to apply, or you will suddenly have a job offer. So this really happens. Okay, so this helps in finding a new job, right? Okay, now next is, what happens is we have to buy or sell or put our home or shop on rent. So these are property related problems that we face. So what we can do is, there are prayers for these obstacles as well. Okay, what happens is, even if your for example your home is at a very good landmark, or having good carpet area, or the surroundings are really good and it is on a very prime location, but what happens is you're not getting any client to buy it. And sometimes what happens is you have to sell the home because you have some emergency or something like that. And in those cases it is really important for the client to buy your place. So these prayers will help you a lot. Next is, finding clarity in your business, or say There is one ancestral healing ritual that I've already spoken about it last time. It actually cleanses all your family tree, so that all the curses and vows and negativity, it all goes away. This is to be done every month. For details you can just contact me on 8451872244. Now we will come to the remedies for a stable money flow or increasing money flow. There is one which is called as forgiveness prayer. Okay, now this is a kind of exercise which is very small, but I can do it for you, or I can just tell it for you. There are very affordable energy exchanges for all these prayers and rituals. Okay, now the next is money exercise to balance giving and getting, receiving. So these things are really important when we are talking about money or prosperity or abundance. Okay, now what happens is sometimes the money flow is really good towards us, but what happens is we forget to donate, and this is the way that we actually receive only negativity, and somewhere our income flow is stopped, right? So that we have to balance, because if we get something we have to do a kind of donation from that amount. Okay, it is very important. So I'll be telling you about the same. Then there are there are lacking situations wherein we are doing all the efforts, we are trying so much, we are doing hard work, but somewhere there is something lacking which is not allowing us to get what we deserve. Okay, whether it is abundance or stability in life, financial stability, or say savings, or something for future. So what happens is there are lacking things. So for that as well there are exercises and prayers, so I will be telling you that. Then there is there are some prayers wherein you bond with the money. You have that power within you, because we have a very rigid mentality towards money. We feel that oh no, I don't want much of money, or I'll be in stress, or I'll not be good with money, or I should have just this much of money and this and that. These are all your anxious behaviors towards money, and this is how you actually let the money repel from you. Okay, and this is how you actually do not attract money and abundance. So please do not have that kind of feeling. Okay, so I hope you've got a clear idea about all these rituals and prayers. So for opting all any of these rituals, you can just contact me on 8451872244. Thank you and stay blessed.